Hi everyone, I'm maintenance sales in Weitai Hydraulic, China. Well, there are lots of hydraulic cylinders available in the market, but the high pursuit of the quality makes us different. Today, I'm going to show you our quality control process. Let's take a look. We operate the ISO 9001 quality management system for all the whole process of manufacture. Starting from the raw materials, we make the 100% testing for them, and only the qualified can be in the warehouse. Each batch of materials is individually marked to make it traceable. During the production and processing, we make the first and last piece inspection, process inspection, self-inspection by workers, and random inspection by the inspectors. After assembly, we make 100% pressure testing. The hydraulic cylinders are going to be tested under the testing pressure and holding for 3 to 10 minutes. After the painting, we make the spot check. We can also offer the spot check with serial number if there is any special requirement from the customers. So that is the whole progress of our cylinders quality control. So there you have it. Catch you later.